Hello everyone. Today we have gathered up to discuss about the task management application. On board with us it's Param Patel and myself Falgun Patel. First we'll start with introduction. In the bustling landscape of modern work, staying on top of tasks can feel like navigating a maze without a map. Ever felt the pressure of looming deadlines or the challenge of coordinating team efforts effectively? Our project addresses these common workplace hurdles. Welcome to a solution designed to simplify the complexity of task management, where productivity meets user friendly innovation. In this fast paced rhythm of today's work environment, missed tasks, disorganizations are common pitfalls. Let's embark on the journey of streamlined task management. Now we'll move forward to the overview of this presentation, and Param Patel is going to take over.
So overview, the first point is effective task organization, user-friendly system of task creation and personalizations, organize tasks based on deadlines, importance, and projects. Second point is enhance collaborations. For the enhanced collaborations, task sharing, comments, and real-time updates. And the next thing is the facilitate seamless communication for improved team coordination. Next point is user-centric experience. It's like a design and intuitive interface for easy navigation. Focus on user experience in task management facilities. The next point is productivity improvement. Provides tools for effective workload management and productivity tracking. Implement features for goal setting and progress monitoring. Fifth and last point is cross-platform accessibility. Ensure accessibility across web and mobile devices. Allow task synchronization across different devices for user convenience. So next, moving forward to the objective and the problem statements.
Problem statements. Addressing the challenges faced in the contemporary work environments, our task management application tackles the common issues of task disorganization, missed deadlines, and inefficient team coordination. Our objective is to, our primary objective is to provide a user-friendly platform for effective task creation, organization, and collaboration. We aim to enhance productivity by offering insightful tools and ensuring cross-platform accessibility. Coming back to the documentation part of the presentation, we have included 5 major points in this documentation. First of all, effective task organization. Second, enhanced collaboration. Third one is user-centric experience. Fourth one is productivity improvement. And the last one is cross-platform accessibility. We'll discuss the very first point, which is efficient task organization. User can easily create the file, the title, description, and due date through the straightforward interface. Secondly, our application help the user to prioritize the work on the basis of some parameters like due dates, deadlines, project associations. For the due dates, user can connect the task with the calendar. Our application has a sorting method to sort the task according to the criteria like date, project, and property. We also provide options for the custom tag and labels for the task. Completed task will be recorded to the history record for the reference or for any other records. After that, we will talk about enhanced collaboration. Our application has facility to share the task with someone in case of collaborated project. Our application provides real-time updates, ensuring that all collaborators see the latest changes and progress instantly. Also, each task includes a space for comments, allowing team members to discuss details, provide updates, or ask any questions directly within the application. This update can be edited by all the collaborators, which makes work fast and easy. After that, we'll discuss about user-centric experience. Prioritizing simplicity, the design avoids unnecessary complexity, providing a straightforward and enjoyable user experience. User can personalize their dashboard, arranging task list, calendar, or project views based on the individual preference. Our application may include onboarding tutorials or guidance features, guidelines or any other information which helps user to quickly familiarize themselves with the functionalities. User have the option to provide feedback, helping developers understand user preference and continuously improving the application. To enhance user comfort, a dark mode option may be also available to the user who prefers a different visual experience. And also provide we have also provided the user guide for the first time users.
Next, moving forward to the productivity improvement, we have discussed 4 points, out of which the first point says the task analytic dashboards. Our purpose is to provide users with the visual insights into the task completing trends, deadline meets, and overall productivity. And we're gonna also implementing a centralized dashboard displaying task analytics, progress charts, and completion statistics. Second point, goal setting and tracking. Empower user, which empowers the users to set personal and team goals, focusing a sense of accomplishment and motivation. Feature also allows users to get smart goals, track progress, and receives notifications upon goal completion. Next, the third point is time tracking and reporting. So, in which we have also enabled users to track the time spent on each task for accurate workload management, and also integration of a time tracking tool with reporting capabilities, providing detailed breakdowns of time allocation. Next, and the final point for the productivity improvement is the customizable workspace, in which we have catered to diverse work styles by allowing users to customize their task management workspace with the different customizable labels and everything. Next, and the drag and drop interface for customizable layouts and the task categories. So next, the fifth point of the documentation is cross-platform accessibility, in which it seamlessly manages tasks for any device with any our responsive web app, native mobile application, and real-time cloud sync for a consistent experience across platforms.
Moving forward to the UML diagrams, we have dwelled into the UML diagrams that form the backbone of our task management application. These visual representations help us understand, design, and communicate the structure and behavior of our software. The very first diagram, it's the use case diagram. In our use case diagram, we outline various ways where the user interacts with our task management application. Each use can represent a specific functionality or feature. For example, let's say creating a task, viewing a task, updating a task, detailing or entering comments, and also performing administrative actions like task deletion and task modification. This diagram gives us a bird's eye view of how user will engage with our application. Now moving forward to our second UML diagram, which is class diagram. Talking about our class diagram, this is visual representation which showcases the entity of our system and their relationship. In our case, we have essential classes like user, task, project, comment, subtask, and label. These classes encapsulates the core components of our task management application. The relationship depicted through associations help us to understand how these classes interact. The third UML diagram, it's for sequence diagram. The sequence diagram offer a dynamic view of how specific scenario play out in our application. Take, for instance, the create task scenario. It shows the step-by-step process of a user interacting with our system to create a new task. For user initiation to system validation, task creation, and acknowledgement. This diagram provides insights into the flow of action and communication between different components. Now we'll go to the activity diagram, and Param will discuss about that further on.
Next, moving forward to the activity diagram. The activity diagram, on the other hand, focuses on the workflow within our application. It outlines the key activities like creating a task, assigning a task, notifying user about the due dates and the deadlines, and updating the task status, decision parts symbolized by diamonds, and add a layer of complexity, allowing us to represent the conditions and choices in our workflow. Next, moving forward to the component diagram, we have as we move to the component diagram, it requires a high level view of components and their interactions within our task management application: user device servers, data servers, notification servers, authentication servers, and other components work together to deliver a seamless user experience. Next, our diagram is about the deployment diagram. In our deployment diagram, uh, so it showcases the physical development of our components across different nodes: user device, servers, database, server notifications, and other are distributed to ensure effective functioning. This diagram gives us an insight into the infrastructures supporting our application. So at last, each UML diagram serves a specific purpose, contributing to our understanding of the task management application. Together, they creates a comprehensive visual guide that aids in development, communication, and problem solving skills. Thank you for exploring the diagrams with me, Falgun.